Okay.
Like it depends, like plausibility in for how much time I can operate. Like there is a concept of emergency operating time interval. So if something goes wrong, I'm having a redundant, so I can allow some time for like 10 hours, 15 hours, depending on the there is no multi-point failure going coming in. So that way telling.
Okay. Assume like a here you are keeping like a secure access key.
Mm.
Okay. Assume this is the your key. Your key is modified. Then external world you need to indicate, right? Your key is not available
Yes, yes.
because this is mandatorily for your secure access will pass, right?
Hmm.
That means if this key is not there, reprogramming is not possible.
Hmm.
Diagnosis is not possible. Reading data is not possible. Writing data is not possible. But you are idle when the customer is visited you, then you will say that, yeah, I don't have the key, then it is not good way, right?
Yes, yes. Agreed.
Now, what you will do for that? Okay, then a simple way to we'll go to the topic. Okay, Arita, I given a 1,000 rupees to you. Okay, I told you when I will ask, I don't know. Then that 1,000 is there or not. How you will get to know that 1,000 rupees is there or not? You will do some action. What is that action? Every time.
I will check regularly.
You are every time check, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then in your bag, 100 rupees is there. Ism. Okay. 500 meters away, you are playing in the ground. Your complete play time is 2 hours. Your complete 2 hours time, your concentration on that playing or you are about 100. 100 is a small amount, right? You will play, right?
Yes.
Okay. Similar case, I'm keeping like a 10 lakhs rupees in our bag. Scenario same, 500 meters away, playing ground. How many breaks you will take? Tell me. You will play continuously 2 hours, or you will take breaks to come for 500 meter, check and go, come for 500 meter, check and grow. What is their strategy now?
I will check even more than one time.
More than one time. Okay. Then here I will install a one guy for a monitoring your bags. If any intruder is entered, they will display here. That time you will come or only you will check the display board.
Display board.
If display board your name is there, then only you will come, right?
Yes.
That is the question I am asking now, you guys. Assume like inside your electronic control unit, some action is happening. Okay, that action you are displaying, then they will you can react immediately. That means you will qualify your secure access key purpose. You have a DTC. Your DTC is qualified. Your DTC is qualified. That means you are informing to the customer, I don't have the key. But you already know, right? DTC is a costly item. HSM itself a costly item. I can't give both the things, right? I can't over budget also. So, if it is it is a bigger project, BMW, Daimler, VW, Audi, or some customers, yeah, you have the mechanism, secure access key, secure flashing key, secure boot key, SECOCs, a major, all the critical functions, they will give you the DTCs. Whenever any manipulations are happening, then they will say that please qualify the DTCs. But smaller projects, secure access failure. Secure access is a failure. Failure, we will discuss about that. Don't go in that implementation level of failure now, because the other functions also, you guys knows about only functionality, but implementation not yet. Similarly, now you understood that we need something else also, or still you need any more examples? One is another example. Or on the ECU. ECU in HSM boot. What is meant by this for you? You power on the ECU stay in HSM boot only. What it indicating for you?
Ram, one thing, I shared
The
the screen,
signature.
recorded it.
Power is not
Sorry.
valid.
1 minute. Hey, Gandhar, you need to remind me, right?
Yeah. When I clicked Srikanth, I couldn't get it.
Okay, that fellow mobile data switched off and his mobile number is
Yeah.
also not working, that fellow.
Yeah, it's not working.
I'll inform his friend. He's having alternate number. Try, you also ping it to Vinay friend only, that fellow.
Oh,
This Srikanth.
okay.
Yeah, what is this meaning? Power on the ECU stay in HSM boot. What is meant by that? What
It
it is
means
giving information?
the signature of the bootloader failed.
Not only
Okay.
signature, right? That means it is
Phone is
a
not.
secure boot is not happening, right? That is the meaning, right? Secure boot, you have some issue, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't have a valid application, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Valid application is the one. For example, your software version flash is 1.55 assume. Okay. Foreign cycles worked for 100 cycles. Okay.
Yeah, Ram.
101 cycle,
Ram, still couldn't able to see the screen.
everyone, huh? Only Rudra. Rudra, you are 1 minute, one
Now
more
it is
time.
visible.
We are able to
1
see.
minute, 1 minute. I will unshare and share again. Now also you have a problem. I will reshare. Again you are facing the problem, then you need to rejoin.
Yes, sure.
I think Srikant joined.
I asked I called Vinay. Yeah.
No. Anyhow, your night Pingadi is the late night yesterday. Bhaskar joined. Good. Bhaskar joined. Surya, anyhow, I given a waiver because he recently he settled already. But it is okay. Only Srikant is missed. Now, Rudra, you are able to see screen?
No, I will rejoin, bro.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I could able to see. Yes.
Okay. You will see power on cycle of 100 times it is worked correctly. 101 cycle it came like a only staying in HSM boot. Assume like a year also I am giving you L advance info. Secure boot enabled only. Enabled in project. This 101 cycle time, it is a two options, right? One is secure boot is failed. That is the straight away our answer because when the power on cycle, you are staying in the control in the HSM boot means you don't have the valid application or maybe valid application in the sense what your blocks are corrupted. This information also secure boot, HSM boot it is staying time, secure boot, each and every block it will check first from root of trust to until application calibration configuration blocks. In which block it failed, right, you will gather that information. So that evidence is evidence gathering purpose. You need a one more control. We need on control. That is nothing but a secure login or HIDS, host intrusion detection system. Inside host is nothing but your controller. Assume like that means this inside the action is there, right? Inside all the actions I will call as a host actions. When it is coming from outside, it will call as a network actions, communication actions. But inside this box, complete content, whatever you are performing, what are your critical things, that we will call as a host intrusion detection systems. That means any intruder is coming here, manipulating something. Outside intruder, or sometimes what will happen? You have a one application, one core is here, one core is here. Like this also you will give the permissions, right? Because of this also it will modify, because of that one also it will modify. This also you will treat like a host intrusion detection actions only, inside the actions. Otherwise, you will create some side channel and you will disrupt this behavior of the memory. That is also you will call it as a host actions only. Side channel you will create some temperature attack, voltage glitches or any faulty reactions. Then you will show what actions really required and all. That is the concept. Now everyone will agree you need the secure logging is also mandatory,
Yes.
or any more examples are required. Anyone?
So Rama, that the secure logging is required so that we can make sure that secure boot is not working. Is it
Not,
like
not,
a
not only secure boot. Your someone is corrupted the key, then you will log into the one event.
okay?
Okay,
Any
someone. That is the reason. How, what and all you will map it. That is the, for example, you will see your ECU you already know, right? Some content will work only in the event is occurred. Some
yeah.
content is will occur in the running in the ECU 24 by 7. Your core functionality of the ECU will occur only when the conditions are met. Everyone aware, right? Once your conditions are met, then crash will crash. For example, airbag issue means what? You need to deploy the airbag. Similarly, brake pedal also, ABS also similar only, right? ADAS is also similar only, right? Core functionalities will work only event based. Until that, it will wait for the event trigger to occur. Once the trigger is not occurring, I am in the sleep side only. I am silently, I will be ready for the trigger.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So similarly, now secure boot for me, you will directly you are asking me secure boot from our perspective. Yes, it is mandatorily required.
So that can we call Wireshark also a kind of IDS?
No, no, frame collection is never be ideas, right? Wireshark, what you will collect the how frames are coming under. For example, in the Wireshark, you will say that Rama itself of yellow color, red color, green color, I can differentiate. Some red frame is nothing but it is not my frame, someone frame. That is also one way of a separation. Don't mix the things under. Wireshark is just a tool. Okay, tool and actions both are different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that too. Wireshark never contain the memory related stuff, right? Communication related stuff. Still, you guys are not reached to communication layer. Still, you are in the host only today also. Tomorrow, I will take into you the outside. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
okay.
Got it.
Now,
Whatever is happening inside the host that will be detected by the IDS.
that is the reason. Now, I need the security analyst group. Anyhow, Venkat be in the silent today. Yugandhar, Thomas, Kalyan, you are the Akshay. You are the speakers today for analyst group. Security analyst group, I need your voice. That is the concept. In that concept time, what are the your proposal for properties? How many properties you require? Maybe Thomas also maybe finger that network drop and all. Even though you guys can lead today.
Yes, Sunny. Yes,
Yeah.
Sunny.
Akshay?
Hello. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
audible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Uh, Hi, team. Regarding this host instruction detection system logging thing, I think
One
we
minute.
require
Then I will put you HIDS is
HID,
host
host intrusion
intrusion
detection, right?
detection system. Sometimes you will use like a secure logging also.
Yeah, secure logging. Yeah.
Okay. Some people they need secure logging as well and host intrusion detection system as well. That is the reason. Two different features. Some place, if you have a host intrusion detection system, similar events only you are duplicating in the inside logging also.
Okay.
That means
So
1 minute. (1980s to 1999s). Your mistakes, whatever you are doing in the classroom, it will be recordable or non-recordable.
non-recordable.
From 2000 to 2015, percentage of recordable institutes are maybe I'm taking like a 30% in India. Ism.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then 2016 to 2026, your
It's
children's mistakes are recordable institutes are 100%.
100%.
Yes.
Yes.
That way, you are recording. Recording means a secure logging. Just you are monitoring. That is intrusion detection system. Okay. Intrusion detection system, you will monitor, you will give data to the server. Whatever class teacher will go to inform to the HOD, right? A ROM
Yes.
is a ROM I can't tolerate, that fellow really torturing me. Then HOD will go to principal and he will cry, right? I can't tolerate ROM. Really is threatening me and all. Huh? He's saying that he will kidnap my kids and all. If I will give tough questions, he will such a ism. That is a information passing only. That is the reason. Logging is nothing but your voice, your data, your action, everything I will record. Okay. Here you can
Okay.
consider as a both together and give me the properties.
Okay.
Yeah, Thomas, you are able to speak. Please speak. Keep in your mind, I have a parallel demo also. 9:26 sharply I will cut the call today. Okay, please. Fast. Kalyan, Akshay,
Yes. Yes.
Yugandhar.
I feel integration and authorization is one, two things required here.
Authorization,
And
authentication, and I think confidentiality also.
Okay. Integrity, authorization, authentication also. Okay. Hmm. Repudiation is mandatory, log itself.
yes, yes, correct, exactly. Yeah, evidence is required, right? So log means it's evidence. This four, I think
That
we
log all,
can
why?
availability.
You need to show available, right? You will say that I'm running in a restaurant and room is booked for 707. Their parents are came and asked me that show me the log. That time I need to show, right? Availability is 100% mandatory.
Okay.
You are running a business, you can't share that it is a confidential, right?
Yes. Let us
It
see
is
the
a
confidentiality.
You will keep confidential or your wish. Because still anyhow you
that
are inside the ECU only, don't come out of that.
okay.
So confidentiality also can I keep or okay, first we'll keep, then
I
you can. I'm giving at least another 1 minute. Please debate 1.5 minutes. Please debate yourself. Integrity, authorization, authentication, repudiation, availability, confidentiality.
team see confidentiality here where we are in inside, right? So I think confidentiality is not required, but authorization and integrity, the rest which is repudiation is mandatory. I'm feeling actually on this. So if you have anything on that confidentiality and authorization.
No, no, no. I think confidentiality is not required for this.
Okay, confidentiality I'm removing. Okay. Now, any other also you will remove?
No, sir.
Everything is required. Okay, then one thing. Evidence collection time, two things will happen, right? Evidence you will write first.
Yes, read and write.
You will read also.
Yeah.
Now I am differentiating two things, maybe I mean my clarity purpose. Right purpose, what are the properties you require? Tell me.
For any modification.
That means integrity, right?
Integrity. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any other property also?
Availability. Authentication.
Right to time you need the availability, you will check. That means your available
Access.
memory,
Uh,
maybe
Reputation.
available page or something, right? Okay, no problem. Okay. Integrity, availability is the right time, right?
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Then read time.
Read means view. It is
Authorization, authentication.
yes, authorization, authorization and authentication. So
Authentic.
authentication is identify only
Here you already know,
identity,
right?
right?
You, you assume like a one scenario, visualize and tell. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, for example, authorization will come or first or authentication will come first?
Authorization.
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 Authorization only, yeah? Good. Okay. Authorization, authentication, then
Reputation.
a log also. Okay. Repudiation. That means reading time you won't check integrity, yeah?
Reading time, yeah.
Hmm?
Manipulation.
Required or not? Hey, your voice is very low,
Yes,
Kalyan.
yes.
Please speak out.
Sir, it's required, sir. It's required, sir,
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
manipulation is happening.
Then availability.
Availability
Yes,
access.
availability is also important.
Okay, done. Okay, I'm feeling quite good, comfortable. Okay, now coming back to the architects. Out of this, any redundancy you will say you are you all are will say that all are mandatory.
Yeah, I feel if we are providing authentication, authorization is not required.
Okay,
Yes.
then I will tell one may.
The confidential also is not
Maybe I will
mandatory.
take Rudra will join into our group. And
Yes, yes, yes.
say it is a really idiot group, three idiot group. Okay, na?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, and to Pondi. Okay, enjoying like anything. Enjoying. Yugandhar uncle came. He's really a policeman only, really. He will torture us like every time you are studying or not studying. Okay, Yugandhar uncle came and this restaurant guy is our friend. That time, if your authorization is not required, then this guy, restaurant guy will inform which room we are enjoying. He will say, these guys are not there. What is your opinion here?
Uh, he wants
Question
to
is
go
on.
to.
It's not friend, he will inform. He will provide the information, else he will not.
Well, uncle came actually, he knows he is the uncle, Yugandhar uncle. So we trusted him and we came there, right?
That's what one thing is sufficient, either authorization or authentication. So
No. That is the two different things, right? Identity is you. One thing is your identity you will submit and you give in the room, agree. But your father will authorize you, right?
yes,
Then your father shows that Rudra is my son. Then hotel guy is supposed to be in. You need to allow, right?
yes.
That time he will decline means what is that? Directly your father will go to police station only. So when the evidence is reading and evidence is writing, two things will happen. Authenticated people will be present, authorized people also will present. Automotive industry, authenticated people means who all will come. Tier 1, Tier 2, third party suppliers, OEM, we all are authenticated people. Authorized people means all the government bodies, legal teams, regulation bodies. These all are authorized bodies. When the authorized body is asking to please read it, we will authenticate and we need to read the evidence also. That is the reason evidence time, my perspective, authentication and authorization both are required. It is my call, but I can't. Your project, you all are the owners. You can convince me. I will. You convincing me, then I feel happy. I will remove. Okay, first integrity. Everyone will agree, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Repudiation. Everyone agreed, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now availability. Everyone will agree.
Yes.
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 Now only talk is two properties, right? Authentication and authorization. What is your call, architects?
So these logs, we just want to read, and so even if someone is not authorized, still if he is reading, then there is no problem, I feel.
No problem. You feel.
Um, because if he is modifying, then we have the integrity property, so we can make it out.
Modifying is modified information. You are saying that incorrect. Evident is modified means, for example, we take in the room like 707. That guy modified to 607. Unauthorized way you will enter into 607. It is a crime, right?
Yeah.
Then when I taken a 707. Without my identity, my login, my evidence, my presence, you can't modify my value, right?
Yeah.
That is the way authentication and authorization will work in the evidence time. When the aircraft crash is happened, they will collect the black box. At that time, authenticated users and authorized users in presence, they will retrieve the data or they will retrieve their own.
In the presence of
You can visualize one scenario in your organization, then you will collect the complete clarity. You recorded some data, okay? Assume like some data is present here, memory, evidence memory, about incident. Then that you are reading in presence of woman all.
in presence of authorized persons.
With authentication, without authentication.
With authentication.
Hmm?
With authentication.
Okay.
See, we are talking about inside the host intrusion detection system, right, Ram? So that's
Yes,
what
yes. But evidence is evidence recorded. I'm not talking about evidence is recorded inside only there. That is the reason I told evidence memory inside memory only present.
yeah. Then
But
only
you are
authorized person, yes, authorized person can get the access. So
authorized person means first you will authenticate or directly will go for authorization.
yeah, secure access is kind of a authentication, right? So you can get it. So here in this case, yeah, authorization can keep it. With respect to this item. Yes, Tim, that is your also just your suggestion also required, in our opinion.
Same thing.
XZD and yeah, Ramesh. So
One question, like where we are logging this data, like
maybe
in the
logging will be in
Internally, it's
secure
in the
areas,
area.
okay,
where,
secure
where,
storage,
where,
yeah, some
where?
secure storage inside the maybe some RAM. I mean that.
That is a you will assume like HSM only. Assume I given the memory for HSM only.
Okay.
Okay. Then you have already the authorization authentication to access the HSM, right? Both is there to check the memory location of the data stored.
Still, if it is hacked, then
Well, that boundary is already created, authorization authentication. If there is something we are storing in the external memory, then we need authorization authentication to access the logs, what I feel. So separately for this.
Inside memory also
Inside
might be.
memory, we are storing the data. Okay, so for that,
yeah.
yeah, suppose if there is a see something is happened, some detection was some intrusion was happened. So then, assume now we are at a dealership. Okay, so he can access with the secure access. Okay, so themselves they can do the authentication that will happen. But we are talking about inside, right? So their own authorized persons will have that authenticity, right? Like senior technician kind of thing, right? So he can with that secure access tool, he can enter and yeah, he can get the evidences and all. That's what
But
I believe
what if
that yeah,
what if
authentication is
multiple?
in this particular item point of view, authentication is not required and we can go for the authorization. There is in this in that way, just yeah, so
Then what
proposing.
if multiple people are working, multiple people are using the same issue, then someone might misuse if there is no authentication.
Yeah, that's what authentication will come as part of outside of the box, like getting secure access to provide to get the data, to read the data, to write the data, not the inside item. See, because see, you are telling multiple things. So assume now we're just like right every HSM, it has some inbuilt configurations of UVIN and all. So each car has different UVIN or VIN numbers. So there is so they are able to planning to include one system. They need the at least some configurations about particular system. So he cannot take the control of all the cars, right? So because he don't know the all vehicles UIN or VIN numbers. So some guess may work or may not work. So that's what.
Yeah, final conclusion.
Authorization
Chana?
is required and authentication is
Claim.
claim can confidentiality and authentication.
Claims is authentication and confidentiality. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Supports reliability, integrity, repudiation, authorization. Okay.
Still not sure
Now
of
you'll see.
authorization as a claim.
I'm also one doubt here. So might be the claim authentication is kept as claim, right? But still using XCP and all, we can access the memory and we can write also. So there some authentication might be required.
That is the reason, right? We'll see how you will, without authenticating, how you are retrieving the data. I will see. That is implementation level, right? Now you will change the call. I will give you the permission. You will authentication required or not required?
They are not required.
So without authentication, you can able to read the content, right? That
Yes,
is the
yes.
your call. Okay,
Yes.
I will see. Arita, I hope you are maintaining the table, right? Yeah, you are architects. If you are changing the decision, then you will get the native mark there. I'm telling you. So otherwise, you need to work on weekends and you need to correct it. That's it. You don't get the official budget.
Okay.
Okay. Secure data, secure access, secure flashing, secure boot, and tick boot, trusted boot, RTMD, secure storage, secure login, HIPS. That means we done for the ECU level of security. Your ECU may be a basic ECU, basic or ZCU or high performance or SDV or cross HPC, anything also. These all are the only features you will do. Apart from that, one feature is there. So that we will discuss, maybe time permit. Anyhow, it is a safety or core separation, isolation and the core separation. Domain separation. Domain separation topic, last weeks I will tell, last weeks, if time permits. Otherwise, it is a default, it will most of the time it will take care by the default of SOC guys. So that way, okay. Now, until now, developers, encryption, decryption, MAC, CMAC, HMAC, hash, digital signature. One is one. First part is generation part. First part, generation. Second part, verification. With help of that, above all the features you guys can implement, or you are feeling like if I will provide? RNG, HSM memory, crypto interfaces. You are able to perform all the operations, right? All the developers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will close today here. I will take at least 15 minutes break and I need to go to demo also. See you tomorrow for SECOC. That means this is the ECU level. Your homework questions are the similar questions only. You guys, I already given the test day homework. I will check after my, usually today is a very
I guess Ram will come in the WhatsApp chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's done for today.
Yeah.
Okay then. See you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.